MCA kurwa Kaunti gose bunge Kaunti ya Kisii bagukwana ensemo ya Serena Park imeya omucho Nairobi niko bigo bagikeria egetambukiro anene omubunge osatu mugrango Silvanus Osoro nyareko bagagutumia abisi ayobo chifu ipobe nabo igo koleta chiburaburu ensemo ya Kisii nabo igo nigo bamuburiga nyareko bakwenana omugabana bwe Kaunti ya Kisii Simbarati libagaria bene elinda nyareko bagakora oboteneri bwe Kaunti ya Kisii.
In harmony with the sentiments that have been registered and in harmony with the statement that will be registered by my colleagues, that we must condemn that in the strongest way possible, and we must put to task the Inspector General of Police, we must take to task also the CS Interior, and equally we must also bring this to the attention of the President, that those whom he has given power to help him deliver to the people of Kenya are the ones again using the same power to suppress and oppress those who are not in power. It is something that will not over well, even if you put yourself in the same shoes of my colleague, Honorable Paul Combo, that you are having a service to lay your father to rest, and then someone walks in preaching protocol, riding on a motorcycle through the main dais and goes sitting down on the ground, ignoring the office he is holding as a national leader.
Onyo wechia somwesimi wa Osoro nkomotevinga Osoro chimesango chenchichire Osoro lero igole chief whip majority mambi gokobarayia buna bali bakabeire ororo bakabeire biroge bire bakabeire bono igabale balaye oikomanya ng'emiaka 5 negekesa emyaka sana asoborai womonto kobabu nekero